Hey friends, who's hungry? Every good gumbo recipe starts with a roux. Making the perfect roux isn't hard, but it may take a little practice. Let me show you how. A roux is made of nothing more than flour cooked in fat. I prefer to use a combination of butter and oil. To start, I'm melting half a cup of unsalted butter with a quarter cup of oil. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of all-purpose flour and continue to stir until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. There are 4 different types of roux: white, blonde, brown, and dark brown. The longer you cook the roux, the darker it becomes and it develops a richer flavor. Cook the roux for 2 minutes for a white roux. A white roux is used for thickening, such as in bechamel sauces, cheese sauces, white gravy, and for light-colored creamy soups and chowder. For a blonde roux, continue to cook for a total of 4 to 6 minutes. A blonde roux is cooked just until it's light brown, similar to the color of caramel. A blonde roux is used for thickening gravies and soups. For a light brown roux, continue to cook for a total of 6 to 8 minutes. The roux will start to turn the color of peanut butter and have a nutty flavor. This is ideal for soups such as etouffee, jambalaya, and gumbo. Finally, cook the roux for a total of 8 to 10 minutes for a dark brown roux. This roux will resemble the color of chocolate and have a distinct nutty flavor. Dark brown roux is perfect for adding flavor to gumbo. It's very important to keep the flour and oil moving at all times to prevent the roux from burning. Since I'm not planning on using this roux for a recipe, I'm going to keep cooking it to show you what a burned roux looks like. As you can see, this roux has gotten very dark. The oil and flour are starting to separate, and even though you can't smell it, my kitchen is starting to smell like burned popcorn. If you start to notice black flecks in your roux, that's another sign that your roux is burnt. A burnt roux will negatively affect the flavor of a dish, so the only thing left to do at this point is to toss the burnt roux out and start over.